Today we are discussing about static blank in final variable. A static blank final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration is known as static blank final variable. It can be initialized only in static block. Previously we discussed about blank final variable, and it is we see that it is initialized in the constructor, but in the static blank final variable, suppose static final int a, it is inside only static block. So here is the example of this. Class A, inside class A there is static final int data. This is our final keyword, this is static keyword, and int data is it is our variable name, data type. So inside the static block, the data equal to 50 is initialized, and inside the main method print a dot data. A dot data means this data will be printed. So whenever a class is executed, the static block will be executed. Thereafter main method will be executed. Suppose there is a error in the main method, so in that case only static block will be executed, then error or will be occurred. So in that pattern the static block will be executed. Second is final parameter. So what is final parameter? If you declared any parameter as final, you cannot change the value of it. Whenever we are passing a value to the argument inside method, it is known as parameter. So it is whenever it is final, we cannot change after declare it. So suppose there is an example of class bike int cube final int n. So this is our final parameter. N equal to n plus 2, n into n into n means cube, a cube, a into a, like that. Inside main method there is bike b equal to new bike construct, and b dot cube 5 means 5 into 5 into 5 125 will be printed, but this line will create an error because this is our final parameter, and we don't initialize after final variable like n equal to n plus 2. This will violating the final keyword rule, so this will create compile time error. There is a point to be reminded that we cannot declare a constructor final. Whenever we are declaring constructor final, it will give error because it constructor never inherited. In case of inheritance, we see that class behaviors, class states will be inherited upon between their child classes, but constructor will be only present inside the parent class, and inside child class there is individual constructor parents, and it is in that. So whenever the child constructor is executed, first is parent class super keyword will be executed, and super means parent class constructor will be executed, then only child class constructor will be executed. This is pattern of constructor calling. So so we don't declare the constructor as final because it never inherited. So this is our entire topic of static blank final variable and final parameter.